Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the actual save files so you can recover them. Open File Explorer and navigate directly to documents/mygames/Terraria/players. Once there, make sure you're using the same Windows account and platform that created the saves, because cross-account files won't appear. If you can't see anything, enable hidden items and check for multiple Steam library folders. Sometimes backups live in Steam Cloud or in a secondary documents folder. This step ensures you're working with the correct source files before attempting. Once you've located files, copy, PLR, and back files to a separate backup folder to avoid further damage, because working on copies preserves originals. If a PLR is missing but a back exists, rename the back to PLR and start Terraria. The game reads that as a player file. If files fail to load, check the file header with a hex viewer. Minor corruption often shows fixable header mismatches, so use a repair tool or replace the first bytes from a known good save and retry launching the game. Now finalize recovery by preventing automatic overwrites. Disable Steam Cloud or other sync services temporarily so your restored file stays intact. Then launch Terraria and confirm the player and world load. Test inventory, location, and character appearance to verify integrity. If the restored save still behaves oddly, revert to an older back or verify game files through the launcher to rule out engine issues. If nothing works, export your backup copies and seek community tools. Keeping those copies gives you options and a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.